ikimi pama thusia asia menjim khotai omin minamte olmol theiloin imimalai pia kunom ni bol pia kunom tam pi palin pia ilung sinto bach tammo izan nalang tamwen isum pi somat ong kiam tammo ni chile ong kiam lovina pasien na piakyan nau polpi upadi nume pasal khangno sani sulari na piakyan na deu ong kanina tuina soma atpen ting za thumle ting som thumle ting le tu som ni le zangi som ni ngai ting za thumle som thumle ku adang te yong chiao dong long ni zane ikesha pa kadonga sumpay na tamay mana ikiam kina kachile kiam khange pasyan na to asom ni khanghian ni sena o pasyan ni zata zat ding pai na ding tam na ka nang sem ni pungsak ni sa ki lo chena pasal kilokan na pasal department men department na teng sagi le tur som khat le za sagi le som ni sei khat bem sei ni bem chang te no pe sei khat bem sei ni bem jong siam sai mai tang tam khang khang mai pasal talam khang no te tur za yel le tur som sei le tur ni le za sei le som na teng yel le tur som sei le tur ni le za sei le som na nu me te so ma kha tu lo lung dam pasien to lung dam a ko si mo ya ku teng som le tur som le tur na le za ku le som teng som ba ite kem pe izon zo man me kiloin pasien zon zo nang tha le ngalong piai piang lo na lung simong piai man taka so ma kha na piak ipiak chil te na te pasien tu pa hi kiam lo hiang khang hiang TBCY is going forward minor hiang chi pasien ina ila khian ai agim atol te ma ilung damin tuina isumte pasien ong sa sakina ama tonga amna ni kinya pasien ong ne pen isumpe to ye hi de pen market token alim ito a ipiak ken no pen ilung sim inun da na hi to pa hi sumbang mai na kanun ta nau ong piaung chila ni na iwek ni na ding ding pasien to inun da na na shall we all stand and dedicate our lives along with these tithes to Ngeni. Toba pasian na sem ding mi dam kisam ton tung tua den sem kim zo sem what of greetings and what of welcome to our distinguished guests, the Logos team who are really here. They come from different countries and makes our worship service very international. On behalf of the Tinimbati Church Jangkung, I extend our sincere and warmly welcome to you. I vividly remember when the old Dolos visited Myanmar some decades ago. At the time we worshiped in downtown, a rented Methodist old church. The Dolos team came and worshiped with us, and we were very much encouraged and inspired. Now, when the new ship Logos visit us, we watch from the television screen and we are very much inspired, very much proud of, as the Christian mission penetrates the country, and our leaders, national leaders are also interested in this program. Once again, we welcome you, and please take our greetings as you travel around the world. Greetings from Leading Baptist Church, Yangon. After this service, we will have our sectional gatherings. Men, women, youth, and you all are cordially invited to encourage us to give witness or whatever you deem the best. Now, I would like to request the team to say greetings, or if you would like to sing a special number. I believe that you all are good singers. As you look at that, praise and worship, you sing. Why this? Yes, they sing chin, hymns very well. I watch your mouth, and you utter very correctly, much better than myself. Okay, now may I request that Logos sing, say greetings or to introduce yourself or whatever, and I would like to request the Kapian to assist. Please.
Thank you very much, Reverend, for welcoming us in your church.
Kwa pikir siapa baik mau nahangin ngomong mau.
It's a privilege for us as a team to be in this church and to be in Myanmar.
Kau tengah ring nahi polpi aku kok kamu pen kaham panayan tuhi.
We just want to briefly introduce ourselves and talk a little bit about ourselves.
Tui na kau tu tongkat ki gen ngomong.
My name is Johannes.
Kami pen Johannes hi.
I'm from the little country called Austria.
Kung pai na kam pen neu mama Australia hi.
It's a little country in Europe.
Austria. Europe kama kam neu hat hiya.
I'm since 1.5 years on the ship.
Tembo tunga kakihal lo kung khalle alang tahi.
And I work together with the electricians. We keep the lights shining and the power on.
Bincang na kan isip na teu pen lim tong la kanyong.
Hello,
Damo
my name is Marco,
kami pen Marco hi.
and I come from a country in South America
Tao America company nang pai kahiya.
called Argentina,
Argentina chi hi.
where Messi comes from.
Messi te bon si na kami.
I have been on this ship for only 3 weeks.
Kai ka tum papan hi chi tembo tunga katun.
We have new teams coming in every 6 months.
Tembo pen haguk sialina mitak kilu te hi.
So I'm from the last team coming in.
Ko pen anung de walu pen te kahiu hi.
Thank you for having us.
Lung dam ta ke nong muang nau.
Hello,
Damo
my name is Shauna,
kami pen Shiana hi.
and I come from the Bahamas.
Ki pen
The Bahamas.
Bahamas company nang pai hi.
It's a small island in the Caribbean.
Caribbean ตุยกุลละกะตุยกุลแนวคที่
And I've also been on the ship for 3 weeks. I joined the same time as Marco.
มากูบังไปนะเกยซงกะตุยเต็มบ่ตุงกะตุนโจกะมิวาลุยปันฮี
And thank you for having us today.
ลุงดำตักตักอี
Hello everyone.
ดำเจียเฮียง
My name is Bamka.
กะมินเป็นอังเกอร์ฮี
I'm from a really small island called Aruba.
ลุงไปนะกำเป็นแนวหรือว่าเป็นอารูบาที่จีกำที่อันนี้แนวมามากะลาจงแนวมาเฮจิ
I've been on the ship for 6 months,
เต็มบ่ตุงอันนากะเสบโจฮะโกเกตาฮี
and I work in the book fair department.
อ๋อหลายผู้สาละมาเอนะแซมเฮจิ
Thank you.
ลุงดำเม
Hello everyone,
ดำเจียมอง
I'm Friek from Faroe Islands.
เกยเป็นฟรีดีดำหินะฟลอรีไอแลนด์ปะเฮจิ
We're a tiny country with 49,000 people.
กะละมุเป็นแนวมาเป็นมีตูดกว่าของไปพาเฮจิ
I'm happy to say we have twice as many sheep.
ลุงดำมาบังเป็นบ่ตุงอันนาแซมคันโนเตตอกเกี่ยวคาลุงดำ
So there's always food.
นัวเสด็จนี่จิ always good
I joined the ship with Marcus and Shona.
เกยซงมากะเลเชียนาเตบังอินะตัวนุงเป็นนาเตมบ่อดุดปอลไปเฮ
And I've been working the engine department. Engine.
engine set ลังตัวที่ใส่
Very
กะลาเสียบิ่งจิ
happy to be here.
ลุงดำนัว
Okay, we prepared a little video for you to get a little bit more idea about the ship. It's 5 minutes. It's in English. I'm sorry that we don't have it in Burmese, but I hope you can get a little bigger picture about what we do.
โอเคเต็มบ่ตัวที่ใส่วิดีโอคลิปตรงโน้นขันหลังน้อง
This is our ship, MV Logos Hope, which is most commonly known as the world's largest floating book fair. But it is much more than that. The vessel and her crew are dedicated to bringing knowledge, help and hope to the people of the world. Let's take a closer look. Most people don't know that after the ship was launched into operation in 2009, she sailed 43,685 nautical miles in the first 3 years, stopped in 62 ports, and welcomed more than 2.5 million visitors up the gangways. Logos Hope has so far welcomed visitors from Northern Europe, the Caribbean, West Africa, the Arabian Peninsula, South Asia and Southeast Asia. She is the 4th ship in over 40 years operated by GBA Ships, the Good Books for All organization. Significantly larger than our previous ships, she presents more opportunities for our visitors and a crew of 400 volunteers from more than 45 different nations. We come from all walks of life, have different professions, are of different ages, and sometimes come as whole families including children who have their own floating school, playground and kindergarten. Our crew and staff all get on-the-job training and other opportunities to learn that can serve them in the future too. We enjoy the warm welcome we receive on arrival, and our official opening is always a highlight, which gives us the opportunity to show some of the traditional costumes of nations we have on board, and to open the onboard book fair to the public so that visitors can come to browse through over 5,000 titles of books that we offer. For thousands stepping on board, it is the first time for them to get quality books at a fraction of its retail price. A variety of topics ranging from hobbies, educational, lifestyle, to spiritual and children's books, gives our local visitors an opportunity to purchase books and media that may not be accessible otherwise to them. While visiting the book fair and experience deck, visitors can also meet us and maybe have a chat in the International Cafe. Through courses and seminars on board and on shore, we provide practical knowledge on topics like HIV and AIDS, library management, and much more. But our gangways are not a one-way street. We are visitors too, and eager to dive into the different regions where we go, and to learn as well as to experience the fascinating diversity of cultures. We want to be aware of the needs and hardships of people, and to provide help wherever it is possible. Medical clinics providing free access to doctors or dentists, vision tests and eyeglass fittings, as well as practical aid like installing water purifiers, building, painting, or planting and gardening are just some of the examples of how we bring help to the regions we visit. While we often cannot do as much as we want in a practical way, we strive to bring hope to people through simply being available, to build a relationship and friendship with them, to show them that they are important to us. We love to share about our own lives and experience as well. Visiting a school, an orphanage, or a slum area and connecting with the children brings an uplifting experience for all involved and gives a new perspective to everybody. But we also invite our visitors on a regular basis to attend our events on the ship, with special programs for children, adults, and the whole family. Sail again, it's hard to say goodbye to the friends we have found in the region while we were there. Many of us are sad to go, but we all look forward to the next port and to bring knowledge, help and hope to the people waiting for us on the horizon.
You can see it's lots of information packed together in a really short video.
Video sunga thehoi thutam itak tomno sik sunga mungkin thei tahi.
I want to encourage you to come to the ship and make a picture of, make yourself a picture about what we do.
Tempo ang hoina no zong man kila chatting ina kung samlam hi.
You can meet about 380 crew from about 60 different nations.
Gam som upanya di za thumle som get bang tempo tumo ma to te to kyau the na no ho ni samlamin.
We also look forward for after the service when we have the small fellowships and we can interact together.
Then siya ina service ban kite group nemle te a hoi takina tam pi tak genom lai ung.
Thank you once again for having us.
Tuni na ibang hura is a take kanung damai ni.
Thank you very much, brothers and sisters from Lagos Hope. Cibol Horbang Nina. Pinali satu tiap-tiap na punisan Nina langsung to kasini. This is the time for offering. Note ading in asetelo sumhol na bolon la gutatein alu zolo na lekhain zong anek zolo na chingmain akyang nge hetlo na van tunga na sumteu na kolun bahangyan chile na sumom namuna na lungsimu pamton tungding hi. Bazong hongki khai dinga ama au mi kem peu nun ta ton nung ta ton tung ding hi pasianin leitung mi tem mi ma mahi manin ama ta pau mi kem peu sinon lovin ahin ton tung thaina dingin atapan nei sunang piak jong in awngin naung lakhi pasianin leitung atapa hong sol na pe mo sang na chuken ding in ahong paisak hilowin leitung mi te ahon kedingin ahong paisak izohi pasien kamal mi matan jadin thakin topan topang piak tahen kopi koya
lấy tung piang thai qua khiêu qua man hiam kachinom kia lấy tung piang zia hi bang hita hi chi i phok đi angen ngom kai tua cái đôi na mi te din mun dam in ion dia ne bangin i lấy tung din mun song dam in lao na di kot patau na lama ki on dia ya lấy tung biết được chú cần tên à zili na na ngon cũng cần khiết chiang ina cùng sim cái bằng non loin zili na na xem ina a hun cái nó xem hi chin alung ngoan hội lâu zia ông mu khiao hi tu li le som kum January som ni le khat ni na hai thi zili na hangin ni teng thumbang takadin si ipo people duk thamu ipiniang tanu tapa torena se kam lai tak imanina ama sung takadin asithe hingkim lai pasenin hon khia ama hot khian na hangin ipo piniang tilamo nemo hi apong lai tampi thum ding zilli na hangin ni teng thumbang takadin anun tang na be hi tuli le som na khat ma kha som na khat ni na Japan ma zilli na hangin ni tul som le tul thum bangin thakhatul sina man na thuaka ilelo asia amam dam pita nganom lahi tokum tuli le som na April som ni le nga ni na Nepal kama zinapi tanong linga mitul kwa bang sina in sia pen teng chumbang ki sia hi ki chi hi en mi si pa no mai homina ipol pinang hiya dingin sumpi kidongin una ipuaki alang khala gam khat kirim na omloin ga kido na leitung mut levai aswati na dingina kilang ni na napi takin khanga hi galong kido le leitung ai hunlai na zo thau zat nam binon lo dinga zidri zat nam binon lo dinga leitung mut levai thakat thuin apiang sa thei gal hiam nam akisapuna gal kido ding ita ai mani ileitung nun tak sia mi te nun tak sia ileitung sia mamai na pula ta ko khat nei ta na kilo taun chinwaning ong pia pe yi chin ka hai suni hiba mon lai ta kina nun ta nga hun azam nole pa ule na te na ikin pen ni iwai lian pen ai thingin ipok ding kali pen pasien thu to nun ta khop na hi chi kong pok sang nomi ileitung din mun ileitung zia mi te zia ai chong biar lai ta kita inun ta pina chupi pen pasien kamal pasien thu to nun ta hun hita hi chi ipok sabana ipok me dingin kong ta ko kenomi ilai siam tho sim na dongdam na zo alian thum aner som le li som le na som le saki som le gian na dong isin chiang ina hi dongdam na jo hang ina mi khe pe wi itel imu the dingin dongdam na ana hiya hi dongdam na jo hang sung adiang himun sung isim chiang ina mi khe doktel the san the lian ning akitel ma mun bekloin leitung pasien mi zat birina dongdam na zo alian chung anel som den kuk na hi bek om phel zong ilai sem tu ki ching hi nana chiliang hi ilai sem tu sung isim chiang ina ge sama bangina leitung mi khe pe ku the dingin akitel sin sen dingin dongdam na chu akigel na atomin tutum tuni na ingai suti gongking ngi amasa penina ane som li na suma sungonggul mosina sungonggul khaina johangin nana dakiki gamla pa na som di lekha ane li na kan puana sum sim chiang ijla mi te khanan suanin apai hunai takina iron kuam athun chiangin ijla mi te pasien phun sanin amakai moses phun sanin pasien moses mosianin ahun lai takina pasien amau te laga gul gune ong khahi gul gune ijla mi te ong tuin ong si tau chiangina pho ki khalung ne ya tua pho ki win bang hiam chile to pa ipasiat tung le moses kamakai nam tunga kakhia hi ki pho ki na pasiat tung le amakai pa tunga hia ai lam ki pho ki la lung sim ong ne we manina amakai pa moses kianga itung pasiat kianga ong thum sakin chin moses in pasiat kianga thum dingin ong pula hi pasiat kianga moses ong thum aminan te dan ki ko chiangin pasianin moses waile naminan te mu dingin singkhwam tunga sungongul khain aen khe peina suatana nun tanga ma dingi na chi moses on ki pia bangina moses in sungongul dagul khaina dangul aen amu khe peina gul gutu nan na sinading panin suatana ngahi chi ilai siang to ungel atel no mama thupiam thuman thutakhi hilaya itilami ten suatana angau hilowin dangkul akhaisan anungta pasian kamale vang de nahangin itilami ten suatana angawahi pasian vangin chunein pasian sona bangin a en mi tena nun tam na angana hilai simple nongena tua pen John Johangina imi mung simnun tanga sunga tua ma muin tua tung tonin imu inga ding nun tanga imu isang tina dingin ani na pasian ongi na nanangeni pasian le mihinte ikisong na akita hulna itakin pasian mihinte ikisong ikinalingin kisop na ông ki kinalingin at tapane sun hasologin ong piang na to pasien id na johangin ong pulakia pasien tapa khatbek ne hinapina apiang sakani te ong ilama mai manina tua tapa ay kempewin uk na ay kempewin mo na lang si na atuang panin suatana nun ta ton tung na angana hi lung lang na so alien thum som le ngung na sunga johangin ong pla khian kamal ahi tuna hilai muna gamla ka aki khai sungong gul antena dam na anga ba mangin singlam te tung ki khai pasien tapa uk na to ay kempewin dam na tua dam na pen nun ta ton tung aton tung dam na hi chi itang ko khenomi to pan min thana ma tae to nun ta ton tung na pen gen the na zel dam zel zo kha zel nuam sa zel chi nun ta ton tung na hilowa pasien to ton tung na nộp sang khóc na nun ta ton tung na nana hi hi ilai siam thu johang masa alien nga anel som le thum na sunga bang nge liam chi le pasien ta ba om mi tein nun ta ton tung na an nei a hi lam ta ku amao le mao akite tel na dingin hi lai te gelin kong khaki na chi pasien ta ba au mi khem pewin nun ta ton tung na anei na ama le ma ele e ma iki te te lo na dingin hi lai kong ki kha hi na na pula hi kwe na tuni le tung bu ne khom ne pi na le tung bu ba dingin pasien atapa hazarin ompia tua tapa Jesu ela dingin singlam te tunga mulki moi takin ongki khaya tua pen upna to ain di khem pewin suatana damna nunta ton tungna kinga kisang hi chi inunta pi itama na ahi dingin kongkulan noni athumna thukhenna nanangeni hilai muna pasien tapa Jesu pe leitung mi te mona thukhetti ong pai hilowin leitung mi te ahon khedingin ong pai hi nanachi imona thaman ikhelna thaman thukhetti pa hilowin imona ikhelna kompalin ong hon khedingin pasien tapa Jesu leitung pai hi to pan mi thana tang ta he pasien tapa ina nang thu ong kheding hilowin nang le nang thu aki kheding ke le ke thu aki kheding kai kontuli laina si Jesu khaji hangin Jesu khaji sisan hangin mi khat sisan hangin ke mo na lấy tung mi te mo na mai zo lo ding hi ki sai lo hi a chi te zong amai sa na to ama le no thu a ki khedi a be sa kum tu ni la hi ta le Jesu khalin ke ling sing la te to si na thuakin a sa to ka mo na khe pe so siang i chin up na to en te ling ama le ma thu ana ki khen kin na nama up na nama sa na tunga nama uplo na nama sa lo na tunga nama le nama thu a ki khen na na hi so hi hat ve lai na lim suai siam tei a hoi ma lim suai teu akila na in khat sunga mi te pai zia chen thu pi sa in enin am lai takin tang ba khadin along ba khat pai bi hi along ba na tua ki suam pachi ka te ai chiang ina ken hoi saking ken thu pi saking chin a company mi ni za hoi sa thu pi sa in lai takin amana company tua na pola khia hi ken hoi saking ken thu pi saking chin a pola na hi in ama pai na azat chiang ina bang na chi hiang chi le hi lim ki suai pachi ka te pen hoi le hoi lo khen tel nang in a ki suang a hi lo lam phokin hoi hiam hoi lo hiam chi ki khen tel na dot nang in a ki suang pachi ka te i lo hi chin na na dong ki hi tua mi pa na aman tapin aman ta na pan hoi salo zo khadi thupi salo zo khadi aya mi hi sa tai hoi sa thupi asa ai manina aman apho theidu manin apau campaign mi abang lo hi na ama lema akipola khia hi mi abang lo hi na ama le ama ana kipola khia hi ya ama hi na mi dang le thu ken loin ama le ma thu akikhen hi zo hi na chi lulang na so hang alian gian na sunga to pai sung kianga po sal ko mo lai ta nu mei khat ong ki pai pia a thui suam to den lu digi to lai ta to pai suna mo king a chi ten de mun chin thu pia hi mo king pa ba king a chi ten de mun chin thu a piang chiang ni a gol pe a ha pen pat ti panin tai khia da deu pen dong in qua mà tuần mình cũng kéo cũng non lâu hi đâu phải suna khi nó mình cũng kéo á kiến sông nắng tung à chú cũng khen cái hi đâu phải suna mò ni nó mình cũng kéo á kiến nắng tung à chú cũng khen cái hi à chỉ có mày bao lên mau mò ni ấy lắm à cái phong mi tê xuống tới đây ngục sổ mi tê ama le ma à cái phong na hangin đâu phải số chú khen lâu là pin ama tình gelin mang khi ini sin nun ta na yêu na chua inun ta na chua i kampa na chua ấy le ấy mà chú à cái khen ấy rồi hi pasien ta pa ông mi khen bewin chú khen na phong non lâu đi anh em xong lên nghiệp na sama nana chi pasien anh ấy sun atapa ông pia hina pina ông lo tein chú khen na thuakin zo hi ama uplo na hangin ama le ma thu anaki khen nai tai lungdam na ma te lian gian na sung isim chiangina zoma gal kha bu pale to pai su kimu na kimu hi ata thui gen non ki inga hilai muna to pai su nam bang na nge niam chi le ni kha ni chiangina ni swana lampan ni tum na lampanina mi tam pita ong pai inga van tung kiu na suma Abraham Isaac Jacob te to an na khom ding hi chi ai zongin tua lai muna ki helding aki lamen mama aki muang mama hi i te la mi te ai le polam khomia na suma kilo ninga kapin aha koi diu hi akilamen mama akimwa mama mite apolom khomia la ki koi dinga ka kong sain aha koi diu hi bahagia itra mite to hun mai takina alamen ma mesaya pai ring chin kingingua to masayang pai chiang in angan ko ding nango lei to alien pen kan tui peso alien pen kan go in jesu do na mesaya do na nei dinga to lai sa sura mi te kiel te ding chi ama tu pomi akira au kin sa mesaya jesu pulo din nei lo in obin nei lo ai manin to jesu pen minam khat ai hiloin leitung minam pi ai hia au mi khem pe begin ama to an kuang om khom the ai manin jesu om lo mi te bang sai kilamenin ki muang tale to an kuang an ne khop na poi pi so ki hel the ro hi na pola ki ga ka bu pa ki ma hi bang om na kamu naik ke hiji to pai suin ana upna ana patang na nana pulahi tuli kongi nole pa udah nate ikrame nato ikimuan nato ei nato pasien na gamsung pasien to ane ko na boy pisoma akilundi hilowa to pasien ahi atapa khadazon umpia to atapa nei tani singla te to sina atwana iu na ham begin isa na ham begin pasya to kilen kina aki ahi beka pasya na sunga ong kai khop chiangin eite pualai alwa ding te hibekhia to imna na lo to pasya mai pha ki mo zolo om na lo to pasya to kisok theina om lo hi chi e po ding ka dei pian sak na panin zun phan na pasya na mi te pian sak chi zun ki ulo lo ding om pian sak ki ai zun ki lo phamo di na mi ta de ki tung ai manin ahun simina pasya nin awi na mi te ong zun ki ong van ki pasiani tulai takina pasian khasyang thoin isunga kong ikong kiwin oma kwama ong paisan lohi kwama paisan lohin mi kempe kong kiwa kong ahon kempe anun tanga zun pai tua pai khasya thoda setna ilai siam tho thu chiang lui sunga itala mi te khanan suanin apai lai ta san tui pin akha chip lai takin san tui pia ki hong sa ni suara pan khau takin an nung hui pen pasien khasyam tho hui hi na chi nang le pasien ki kala ong khatan nanun ta na ong khatan ong da chip khem pe a hong ke zo ding pen khasiam thowang in na peki itela ite ongkal son ina angilung kialin saduin ungkap zeni saduin posal tapi ongkau chiangin palsialin tui pilawan hui nung sana vami buaki na chi tui pilawan anun sa hui pen lei hui hiloin van khasyam tho hui dia khasyam tho hui ami te na kisan sa na buaki pasian khasyam tho pasian na suamun na piang le na khanun tan nang khatan kempe ong hon sak bekiloin na leinun ta na kitang sap na ne na do ding te yong khasya tu huin ong puak ahina ilai siam towin ong muhi lung sim ki khabi te khasyam to hui ong lun chiangin so ta te hun sunga mi tul thumbang thakan tua hui mun nain anun tam na ong khe hi kongi no le pa u le na te tu ni lei tung bu ne khom ni hi hun khat lia ni mun khat lia ni lei tung bu ba thum mi ten ne khop hun izat khop theu hangin thu mi te iki pum khat na pasien maya an ko khom te hi na akila khian nai le tu ne kho asang hi turina na to khasyang lo lon kha khel na to le tung ne kho ni pi ni na ne kho bi lo da ne kho ki san ne turini izat kho pi lo le tung mun to ma thu mi khem to khabi ni chiang Jerusalem thap va India pasien ne kho an pong siam tho sam kho lai di hiang to ban min thana ma hella ata de ke thu pa ta hen
kum simina Oktober kha ni pi ma sa pen le tung bu ne khom di china siam tein isumila ki ballo ha ina ni pi ma sa pen na le tung bu paom christian kem pe mina ne khom na jisu kum pi khat pa na pia ni hang chi la khian nai ni na na sang ni tuan ni mai na ei zong mun kon tong palang pai sangam te umna ki bat pi te bia ka ma pai te le tum nun ta na zong a ong pai thum te kwa po se na jesu si san suamina e khom na sang ya India te makai nuวันนี้ชมรู้อินทราอันดีนะอาชีพนี้โอเคคนไม่เงี้ยนะอาทำเป้าเขาตัวเป็นมาที่อันจีเกย์องค์กิธาเลยกาชิสันมาลคันนะอินเดียขังโนเตทักยัยอินเดียกมาดีนะลุงจะสักทีนี้ชิสันสวามินนตานาทับทับเลยนี่ today is marked by the world Christians as the World Communion Sunday. All the churches of the world will partake, celebrate, and observe communion simultaneously in their respective services. And at this moment, I would like to invite to think the blood of Jesus Christ as we sing, "There's power in the blood." You know, Indira Gandhi, the late Prime Minister of India, stated, "If I am assassinated, a single drop of my blood will invigorate the young people of India. How much more the single blood of Jesus Christ will invigorate you and me." Pasien kita tungitna ini. Kung samna ngayon tung kung hektiin, kung pa kung pain, kalungim lo